An eye-catching animation or clip of someone losing money or facing financial struggles, with dramatic music building up in the background. Do you know that you might be sabotaging your wealth without even realizing it? There are hidden traps that can drain your hard-earned money, and they might be closer than you think. Are you falling into these 8 wealth destroyers? Let's find out. Hi, welcome back. If you're serious about building your wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into 8 common wealth destroyers that are quietly eating away at your finances. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share how to avoid these mistakes and protect your future wealth, living above your means. Let's start with a big one. Living above your means. We've all been there, right? Maybe it's the latest gadget, a brand new car, or a fancy vacation. But these instant gratifications can keep you stuck in a cycle of debt. If your expenses keep growing while your income doesn't, you're just digging a hole for your financial future, not having an emergency fund. You might think you're doing okay, but if something unexpected happens, like a medical emergency or losing your job, having no emergency fund can leave you scrambling. It's one of the easiest ways to destroy wealth over time. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, ignoring investments. Another huge wealth destroyer is ignoring the power of investments. It's easy to just save money, but if you don't invest, your wealth won't grow as fast as it could. The stock market, real estate, or even small investments in yourself through education can make a huge difference. Paying off debt too slowly. Debt can be like a weight around your neck. If you're only making the minimum payments, it can take forever to pay off. The key is to prioritize high-interest debts first. That's how you take control and stop the debt from draining your wealth, not having a budget. How can you know where your money is going if you're not tracking it? A budget might sound boring, but it's one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your financial goals, falling for get-rich-quick schemes tempted by promises of quick wealth. The get-rich-quick schemes can look enticing, but most of them are just scams. Real wealth takes time, patience, and consistency. Never fall for shortcuts that sound too good to be true. Underestimating the power of compound interest. Ever heard the phrase, money makes money? That's compound interest in action. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. If you wait too long, you miss out on the biggest advantage you can have when building wealth, not protecting your assets. And lastly, not protecting your assets is a major destroyer. Whether it's life insurance, home insurance, or diversifying your investments, protecting your wealth is just as. Want to know how you can become a millionaire? Well, you don't need a lottery ticket. In fact, there are certain industries that have created more millionaires than anything else. And today, I'm going to show you the top 5 industries that could make you the next big success story. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build wealth, create financial freedom, or even dream about making millions, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 industries that are most likely to make you a millionaire. So, whether you're looking to start a business, invest, or switch careers, this video is packed with valuable insights. First up, we have technology. Technology is everywhere in our phones, computers, cars, and even in the way we work. The tech industry has been one of the biggest wealth creators for the last few decades, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. From software development, AI, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, to cloud computing, the potential for creating wealth in this space is huge. Just look at names like Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, or Jeff Bezos. They made their fortunes by building businesses around tech. But don't think you need to start the next Facebook or Tesla to succeed. Even small tech startups or services like app development, e-commerce solutions, or digital marketing can generate massive income if you find the right niche. 2. Real estate. Background visuals, luxury houses, commercial properties, construction sites. Next up, real estate. This is an industry that has created more millionaires than almost any other. Why? Because real estate is about owning valuable assets that increase in value over time. Whether you're flipping houses, renting out properties, or even investing in commercial real estate, there are many ways to build wealth. And here's the secret: real estate is a long-term game. Buying property in up-and-coming areas or leveraging rental income can set you up for financial success. Many successful real estate moguls like Robert Kiyosaki and Grant Cardone didn't start with massive amounts of cash, but they understood the power of leveraging debt and making smart investments. 3. Finance and investment. Background visuals, stock market graphs, investment portfolios. Financial advisors coming in at number 3 is finance and investment. The world of stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and wealth management is where a lot of millionaires make their mark. In fact, many people build their fortune just by investing early and wisely. Whether it's day trading, starting a hedge fund, or diving into cryptocurrency, the opportunities are endless. The key here is understanding risk and having the knowledge to navigate volatile markets. But if you're consistent, disciplined, and always learning, you could see your investments grow exponentially. For health and wellness fourth, we have health and wellness. People are becoming more conscious about their health, fitness, and mental well-being than ever before. Whether you're into fitness coaching, developing wellness products, or even starting a health-related YouTube channel, there are endless ways to tap into this booming industry. In fact, the wellness industry is projected to grow into a multi-trillion-dollar business in the next decade. So if you have a passion for fitness or health, now is the perfect time to turn that passion into profit. Brands like Peloton, MindBody, and even individual health influencers have made millions by capitalizing on people's desire to improve their lives. 5. E-commerce, and last, but definitely not least, e-commerce. The online shopping revolution is unstoppable. Whether it's starting your own online store through platforms like Shopify or selling products on Amazon, e-commerce has opened the door to global business for anyone with a product and the right marketing skills. And here's the best part: you don't need to hold inventory. With dropshipping and affiliate marketing, you can start an online business with relatively low upfront costs. If you build the right brand and capture the right audience, the financial rewards can be huge. Just look at companies like Amazon, eBay, and even influencers who sell their own merchandise. Some people are making millions from their laptops. So there you have it, the top 5 industries most likely to make you a millionaire. Whether you choose tech, real estate, finance, health, or e-commerce, the key to success is consistency, learning, and taking smart risks. If you want to make it big, remember, it's all about being in the right place at the right time, and sometimes that place is the industry you choose to focus on. The real question is, which one are you going to dive into? If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos on building wealth and creating your dream life.